one. Now stay on, dude. Oh my gosh. Under a bobber. I'm going to try not to give him any slack at all. Really tired of missing the bass. Really tired of it. I got him. Oh, nice. Oh, he's a good one too. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my gosh. I missed so many. This guy is really nice. He's 14 inches. My arms are totally outstretched and he's barely on there. I'm going to have to get my pliers out. Hopefully he's not going to jump off. Let's see if he does. I'll just... Okay. Yesterday I complained about my pliers and guess what? They broke. So I had to go get new ones. So it doesn't really matter anyway because I would like to have new ones. I didn't like those other ones I had. Okay, get that one off. Oh, excellent. Nice. Well, my goodness. I just was missing them left and right. Thank you, buddy. So glad I got that one. If you like the Catch of the Day videos, please subscribe so that you can see more. I upload them almost every day.